So you're all eager to jump into the stocks now, eh? All 2020 people were making money, and now now you're seeing GameStop at $500 a share. You're like, dude, how do I need to get into this? I need to jump in and I need to start making money. Well, I'm going to tell you this right now. This game, man, it's not easy. All right? Like, I'm sorry to tell you guys this isn't easy. I'm going to share with you guys what not to do in the markets. And it's a short message because a lot of people think that you could just listen to somebody what they say and then, hey, I'm going to make money, and it might work for some time, but I promise you guys, like, you will lose money if you're not well educated behind what the charts are doing. And if you're just going in off, hey, this guy said to buy this stock, then you're putting yourself at such a large risk because you're not making a plan at all. Your plan is to make money, and that's just not a real plan at all. So this is the one thing I'm going to say. Do not listen to people in the markets who are giving you information without any context behind it, right? Don't listen to people who are just going to say, hey, just buy this. There's no context behind that. Why would you buy it? What's their plan? What's their risk reward opportunity? Do you have any clue at all? It's quite foolish to think that you're just going to make money in this business because you could just buy into anything. Hey, it might work a few times. Heck, I've done that. I when I first started, I remember buying into Canopy Growth thinking it's going to go up. It went up and then it went down, and then it went pretty far down, like 30%, and I was just like, "Oh my god." And then when it came right back up to where I bought it, I was like, damn, it would be so much better to have bought at the bottom of that 30% correction. So let me tell you this, man. It's plain and simple. The markets are not easy. The way I succeed in the market is I create positive risk reward opportunities where if I am wrong, I lose a small amount, and if I'm right, I make a large amount. Plain and simple. That's the most basic way to do it. Now, how in the hell can I do that? No, I don't know the charts. Well, that's why I'm posting my content. I want to post my content to show you guys how to read the charts, how to find positive risk reward opportunities, right? Because I think that a lot of people think that the technical analysis is what's making me money. And to a certain degree, it is definitely aiding to that. But what's actually making me money is I'm using the technicals to create boundaries and rules for myself so that my drawdown is always smaller than what I could potentially gain. That is the most key. The most key. So I'm going to show you guys with a quick example on how you could do that on this stock here, Zynga. I got into this stock on January 20th. I believe it was like $10. $10 and like 5 cents, something like that. Now, what do you even see here, dude? Like, are you good? Like, it's a bunch of candles. Well, okay. This is what I see. I see an area where the stock is obviously having trouble in that area, right? It's right here. This zone right here. The stock is having trouble in this zone. Now, why is it having trouble? Every time it comes up, it gets rejected. Overshoot correction to the downside, right? Every time it comes up, shot down. But this time, from December 18th to January 19th, 1 month straight, it hung around this zone, creating a higher low compared to its last low point. This was the last low point. It now made a higher low, and it stayed in this range. Now, how can I make a potential risk reward opportunity for myself that's positive in this situation? This is what I did. I used this tool. It's called the long position tool. I got in at around 10:05. And now I'm making my drawdown a maximum of 5.4% with an upside of who the heck knows, right? The upside is massive here. I think at least it will at least hit $11, which it did get up there. That was the plan. It was at least going to get to 11. It got up there, but then there was a rejection. Now, if you saw this, say I posted it on this day and I posted it at 10:50 and I was like, hey, this stock has potential to go higher. What you need to do now as a listener or a viewer of my content, you need to figure out for yourself, hey, is there a risk reward opportunity that if I'm wrong, I'm going to lose a little bit of money, and if I'm right, I'm going to make a lot of money. Now, it might not be there for you at this level, which is why I'm trying to tell you guys, don't just listen to somebody who just says, "Hey, go buy this stock. I think it's going to go up." It's absolutely absurd to say that one without any context behind your idea. Like, your idea might be right, but what's your risk to reward opportunity? Like, what's the potential, like, what's your context behind your trade, like your trade idea? If there's no context, then dude, this is how I use technical analysis to make positive risk reward opportunities for myself. If I'm right here and the stock ends up going to, let's say, we'll say $12, that's 20% to 5%. What's that? 4 to 1, right? It's a 4 to 1 trade. That's a good opportunity. Your drawdown is way smaller than your potential reward. Now, that's how you trade. That's how you use the technical analysis. It's not like, oh, he put up a triangle, that means it's going higher. No, I'm using the triangle to create a reward where my risk is smaller than the potential reward. It's called return on investment. What is the potential return on investment? That's what I want you guys to learn from my videos. I'm not trying to make videos so you guys can just pick the stocks that I suggest to you guys. I'm really not trying to do that. What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to show you guys how to find an edge in the market, because this is my edge. My edge is using the technicals to create positive risk reward opportunities for myself. Now, I hope this video helps. We're heading up into an interesting week in the market. So whatever stock you look at, this is my challenge for you. What's your plan? So I want you to ask yourself these 4 questions. How long do I plan on holding this trade? How much money am I willing to lose on this opportunity? Where am I going to exit if I'm wrong? And where am I going to exit if I'm right? With these 4 questions, you are now creating a plan in the market. So now you're never going to get caught holding the bag. We don't hold bags over here. No. We don't hold bags. I'm not trying to show you guys how to hold a bag. You're not tough because you're holding GameStop at $350 a share when it crashes down. Now, am I going to say GameStop is going to crash? No, actually, to be honest, I still think GameStop has potential to go higher. But what you want to do is you have to create a risk reward opportunity for yourself. So let's look at GameStop, right? Let's say you want to get in. What's your risk reward opportunity going to be? Well, this is what I see here. I see a triangle. I'm going to go down to the 15-minute time frame here. This right here is the 15-minute time frame. Now, people might say, hey, technicals don't work. You know what I say? Oh, this is what you want to do. If your thought process is, I want to make money in GameStop, don't just throw your money in there. You want to create an opportunity for yourself where the risk to return opportunity is larger in your favor, which means you're going to make more money than you could potentially lose. Use this tool. Set it up. Here, you want this level to act as support. Why? Because if I put this line here, right? Acted as resistance, pushed over, support, broke through. There's there's confluence here. There's action around this area. Maybe that should be your drawdown, 18%. And now what's your opportunity to the upside? 60%. That is trading. That is how you use technical analysis to create potential positive risk reward opportunities in the market. This is what I'm talking about when I say finding opportunities in the market. I create the opportunity myself. And I want to show you guys how to do that. So I'm sorry that if you're looking for random content, or if you're looking for, hey, just buy this, buy that, I'm sorry. This is not the account for you. If you want to learn how to actually make money in the markets on a consistent basis and create a second income for yourself, then this is for you. And this is how I do it. So be careful out there in the markets, guys. I know GameStop is ripping, and I know that you want to make money, but like think about the risk reward opportunities before you jump into a stock blindingly so. You know what I'm trying to say? So be safe out there in the markets, and I really hope you have a good week. This week there's who knows, right? All there's this market is not the same as it was in 2020. That's 100% sure. So keep that in mind and always stay on your toes. So cheers, guys.